In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's start by logging into your Asana account. Once you're in, take a moment to navigate to your main dashboard. This is where all your projects and tasks live, and it's the hub for managing your work. Next, look over to the sidebar and find the My Tasks section. This is where you'll see your personal to-do list. It's a helpful tool for keeping track of what you need to accomplish. Once you've located that, click on My Tasks to open it up. Now that we're in your personal to-do list, scroll through and find the specific task you want to attach a file to. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on that task. This action will pull up the Task Details panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you can see all the information related to the task, and it's also where you'll be able to upload your files. In the Task Details panel, pay attention to the top right corner. You should see a small paperclip icon. This is the attachment icon you'll be using to upload your files. When you find it, go ahead and click on that icon. After you click the paperclip, a list of options will appear for you to choose from. You'll want to select your computer from this list. This option allows you to browse through your files stored on your local device, whether it's a document, a spreadsheet, or an image. Once you select your computer, a window will pop up, letting you navigate through your documents. This is where you can find the file you wish to upload. Take your time to locate the correct document, whether it's a project plan or an image relevant to your task. Make sure it's the right one. After you've found the file you want, click on it to highlight it, and then hit the Open button. This action will start the upload process. You might see a little animation or a notification that indicates that your file is being attached to the task. And just like that, your file is now attached to the task in Asana. This is a fantastic way to keep everything related to a particular task organized and in one place. Whether you're collaborating with a team or keeping track of individual tasks, having important documents right there can save you so much time and hassle. So to recap, we logged into Asana, navigated to My Tasks, selected a specific task, clicked the attachment icon, chose to upload from our computer, selected our files, and hit Open. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how easy it is to upload files in Asana. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and giving this video a thumbs up. Happy task managing, and I'll see you in the next video.